You have spent a lot of time watching tutorials on how to find the winning products for your e-commerce store, following the steps, and to be more professional. You bought some tools to do that analysis, spy on other store sales, watch all the ads on social media, and try to start your own sales. For several times, finally look at the results. And you're still wondering why other people can always find their winning products, but you cannot. I'm not saying all these videos are useless or something. What I'm saying is that there is a critical secret that you don't know. In this video, we will review the magic secret to help you discover more and more winning products. First, let's review the business model. When you're going to sell something, you should find there is a demand in the market. And to fulfill the demand, you should find the right product. The product includes two parts, the virtual part and the real part. You can build a fancy product page and to show engaging videos on your social media. This is the virtual part. Referring to the real part, the simple method is to find it on AliExpress and use the DSers app to connect to your store. The AliExpress sellers can ship the product directly to your customers, and that's it, the life cycle of the business model. In this business model, I think you know the market well, and because you are native and you have the confidence to do it well. For the virtual part of the product, by doing nice design and shooting interesting videos, you can have the full control of it. By referring to the real part of the product, the hesitation may come out and your confidence may gone. When you use the vendors in AliExpress, if the quality of the product is not good or even bad, your customers will be disappointed and angry. Your social media and website receive a low rating, and your business journey is over. If the quality is good, then congratulations, your business can continue. Okay, with a little bit of luck, you think, yes, I just find a winning product that can make a lot of money. And not for a long time, there will be two problems come out. First, you are not the only one doing dropship business, so other people will also find this easy route to find the winning product. And the market will soon become saturated with your competitors. The second question is, can you guarantee the quality is always good in consistency? And does every single product meet a high level of quality? Furthermore, beyond the quality, the packaging level and the shipping time also matters a lot. All these risks make your winning product trembling in the wind. So how to fix this problem to protect your winning product? The best solution is to establish a high quality supply chain and put more creativity into it. By doing this, your winning product truly stands out and now you're running a long-term business. People often choose to establish their supply chain in China due to two key factors. The first reason is the low cost of labor force in China. The second is the maturity of the China supply ecological chain. There are all kinds of factories from small to large that can produce a variety of products. You can find anything. A new challenge arises. You should have the power to manage it. Unlike large companies, startups such as e-commerce owners often lack of the necessary knowledge and experience in this area. And if you are a solo entrepreneur, you don't have the time and energy when you're running a winning product. Therefore, the sourcing agent or dropshipping agent in China comes out and can solve the problem perfectly. As a sourcing company, they are experts in this field. They have so much experience in dealing with so many factories, knowing where to get the good quality of the products for different categories. And they also have the power to ask the factory to upgrade the quality or do some customization on the product. In general, they typically maintain their own high standard for product quality, inspection procedures, packaging standards, shipping time assurance, return policy, and branding support. Once you have a responsible dropshipping agent support you, your winning product will be promised and powerful. Go back to the business model. While searching for a winning product, at the beginning you may feel uncertain about both the market side and the product side. Our recommendation is to divide the process into two stages, the testing stage and the production stage. In the testing stage, you can test the market with content for social media and use AliExpress as your vendor to fulfill orders. If it works, now it's time to go to the production stage. Don't hesitate. Time is money. Find a reliable dropshipping agent company as your vendor, ensuring they can fulfill your orders in high standard level. Once you establish this, you can scale it, having the confidence to put more ads and content on the market. And then the winning product really works. It will be your money printer and you will stay at the top seat unbeaten. I hope you can get some value from the new perspective of the winning product and how it works. If you need more help about the dropshipping business, leave a comment below or go to our website for more information. And that's all for today's video. If you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We're always glad to have a chat with you. See you in my next video.